Wiljan the Triggerman Mindoro. Ito na ang susunod na katatakot na Pinoy boxer sa middleweight division sapagkat lahat ng nakalaban nito ay umuwing disgrasya. Knockout ang sinapit sa mga kalaban niya. Taglay ang 100% knockout power ratio, kaya ito na ang bagong monster sa middleweight division. Ngayong June 7 ay muling sasampa sa ibabaw ng luna ang ating pambato na si Wiljan Mindoro. Mga kalaban niya dito ang undefeated Mexican boxer na si Omar Ulysses Gutierrez Munguia. Hindi basta-basta ang boxing hero na itong mga ito sapagkat isa din itong knockout artist at may kartada na 8 panalo, 6 na panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at walang talo. Upang mas malawak pa nating maunawaan kung gaano nga ba halimaw itong ating pambato sa pakipagsuntukan sa ibabaw ng luna, ay balikan natin ang mga laban ni Wiljan Mindoro kung paano nito tinapos ang mga kalaban niya sa pamamagitan ng KO. 2016 sa edad na 21 taong gulang ay pinasok ng ating bida ang pagiging isang profesional na boksingero. Kalaban niya dito ay itong ating kababayan na si Jerry Calao at tinapos agad niya ito sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Naging sunod-sunod talaga ang impresibong panalo ng ating pambato at hindi na nga umabot pa sa desisyon ang lahat ng kalaban niya. Pinag-aapang niya talaga sa ibabaw ng luna. At noong July 28, 2023 ay tinapat nito sa matangkad na Japanese boxer na si Mao Taminda. Dito ay nagpasiklab na naman ng galing ang ating pambato na noon lang ang tinanggal sa pambato ng Japan. July 10, 2024, araw ng Miyerkules sa bansang Amerika. Magkakalaban niya dito si Tyler Budjat, pambato ng bansang United Kingdom. Sobrang lakas at walang kinatatakutan ang kanyang mga kalaban. Pero hanggang round 2 lang pala ang kanyang kalaban matapos ito matamaan na napakalakas na suntok ng ating pambato.
Be hand-to-hand, okay? No holding. Touch him up and good luck. Thank you, sir. Last boxing fight was 2017. Gentlemen, he was stripped for talking about the way he cut weights. That's why he had to take time off and go into bare knuckle. Paulie, sport you know very, very well. But the toughness was really successful over there and did very well. He was really favorite over there. As far as having you come in here, this thing's not right. I talked about salt in my license. Just tell everybody, by the way, cuts weight in the United States. Yeah, I guess so. You can't talk about it. And you wonder what the easiest cut I've ever had in my life. Trying to cut down John. You know, like any see good young mental pressure. He's trying to make Mindoro uncomfortable. You know, I'm expecting the opponent to walk him down, so I can see how good John is trying to really get in his head. He's better off cutting off the ring on Mindoro.
Good John gets hurt to the body now, giving some big shots.
You gotta take away some of the confidence of Mindoro. And then comfortable throwing hard. You gotta throw it in between hard, big shots.
That's some sort of a body shot.
Trying to take a deep breath. As a former boxer, put on those gloves, man. It's a different world. It's so much better. You get hit with a bare knuckle a long time. You know, look at 2012, 2011. You know, a solid pro. Good shot. Bare knuckles will cut you. One chance to hurt. And 8 ounces is right.
Yeah, I mean, they're basically mittens.
Keep going to the body, then come up top. Okay, when you get close, uppercut. From the way he's yelling and looking, I'm assuming trying to press. I'd love to see him cut the ring off more. Mindoro is finding that escape to his own left to the right of Good John a little easier. It's allowing him to get a breathing space. 100% knockout rate for Mindoro. Good John, of course, 9 times in victory. He's won by decision. 5 of his 13 wins.
Mindoro, he's got the 6 bare knuckle fights as well. So a ton of experience for Good John, and he's trying to.
I got a crazy guy in front of me.
Also, he's backing the 100-foot.
He's getting confident on the left hook.
Good uppercut there from Mindoro.
Mindoro, you gotta understand, he's got all these knockout wins. He might be the kind of guy who is technically John not only hasn't gone away, he's getting his face, the psychological blow here. And it also starts to wear on you. So Mindoro, under fans to intimidate.
Good John is.
Mindoro, you guys talk about it. Good shot.
Ano sa tingin niyo mga idol, kaya kayang patulugin ni Will John Mindoro itong undefeated Mexican boxer na makakalaban niya ngayong June 7? Marami na talagang nag-aabang sa tuwing may laban si Will John Mindoro at aasahan nga natin na marami pa itong patutulugin sa ibabaw ng lona. Kaya naman mga idol ay patuloy nating suportahan ang mga Pinoy boxers ngayon na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa ating bansa.